my cheese.
But Ham, look at us. We keep doing the same things over and over and wonder why things don't get better. It's time to move on.
You're not really going out into the maze again. Why don't we wait here until they put the cheese back?
You just don't get it. They're never going to put the old cheese back. That was yesterday's cheese. It's time to find new cheese.
Oh, but there's no cheese out there. Or but you can't find it.
Ham, life moves on, and so should we.
No. Who moved my cheese? Who moved my cheese? Who moved my
If we
cheese?
don't change, we could become extinct.
Like him, part of Ha was afraid. Then Ha wrote on the wall what he had been thinking about.
What would you do if you weren't afraid?
It wasn't long before Ha knew what to do. Ha gathered all his courage and jogged into the unknown.
It's maze time!
At first he felt lost. But it wasn't long before he began to find his way.
Being back in the maze isn't nearly as bad as I feared. How did I get into this situation? I've been watching what was happening.
Ha stopped to write on the maze wall while he was learning.
Smell the cheese often so you know when it's getting home.
Paul hoped that these handwritings on the wall would not only be reminders to himself, but also a marked trail for him to follow if he chose to enter the maze.
Why do I feel so good? I don't have any cheese and I don't know where it is. Aha! When you move beyond your fear, you feel free.
The more clearly Ha imagined himself finding new cheese, the more real it became.
Imagining myself enjoying new cheese even before I find it leads me to it.
Finally, Paul arrived at a large cheese station.
But it was practically empty.
I'm too late. If I moved on sooner, I might have found a lot of new cheese here.
Paul did find several delicious morsels of new cheese.
It wasn't much, but enough to keep him going.
I've got to get back and tell Ham there's some new cheese out here.
Ha raced back to Cheese Station C, following the route he had marked.
He found his friend still hemming and hawing. Ham had not even put on his running shoes.
Oh, Ham, you look hungry. Here, have a few bits of new cheese.
I don't think I would like new cheese. I want my own cheese back. I'm sure if I wait here long enough, things will be the way they were.
Will Ham ever change?
Ham was left behind, hemmed by fear, comfort, and denial.
I guess Ham believes he can't or won't enjoy new cheese. He seems to believe that if he ventures into the maze, things will get worse. I see now that if I do things differently, things will get better. When you change what you believe, you change what you do.
Paul found bits of cheese here and there and began to regain his strength. He hoped that Ham might find his way by reading the handwriting on the wall.
Ha had let go of the past and was adapting to the present. He was pursuing new cheese.
And then it happened.
Piled high everywhere was the greatest supply of cheese he had ever seen.
Wow! New cheese! Is it real or just my imagination? It is real!
Ha realized that Snip and Scurry had been enjoying new cheese for quite a while. He vowed that next time he would change faster.
Paul knew it would be easy for him to slip back to his old ways if he got too comfortable.
So each day he inspected Cheese Station N to check the condition of his cheese.
He went out into the maze and explored new areas.
He knew it was safer to be aware of his real choices than to isolate himself in his comfort zone. Then one day, Ha heard what he thought was the sound of movement out in the maze.
Could it be Ham? Was Ham about to turn the corner?
Ha hoped that maybe at last his friend was finally able to
Move to the new cheese and enjoy it.
Okay, so he has to move on in order to get the new cheese, new place, new result, new new outcomes and maybe new life. Okay, I have, that's all I have only a few slides. That's it. Okay, only 3 more that I would like to share. Let's change. But this one is change management. We use this in companies. It is how we prepare, equip, and support individuals, support staff, our students, to successful adopt a change in order to drive organizational success and outcome. So if we don't change, we still the same. I'm not saying that you are not good teachers, you keep the same thing. I see every day and we all move on. Okay? But what I want to share is that we should move on a bit faster. Right? So change management involves 3 aspects. What we have to do, we cannot reject it. We have to adapt to the change. Like now, even though we don't want to come, we still come. Right? We don't want to correct our students' homework, but we have to do it because we give them. So we have to collect them back, give them scores, and congratulate them for the pass. Of course, we change, we adapt it, but we control it. We should not just move on without looking back, without doing anything that we don't notice the change. Sometimes we go too far. Okay? So by communicating with your friends, with collaborate with our colleagues, so that we can be successful. And last one, carrying out the change. After we have it in our hand, we have to do it, practice it. We collect all the information from our friends, okay, from the environment, from everyone that we know, and then we try it. Like you find a new techniques, so maybe you go to ask another teacher, I want to apply this technique, and then you discuss. And after discussion, you carry it out, you practice it with the students. See if it's success, and if it is success, next term, we share. Okay? So I hope that my presentation will help you to will persuade you or will encourage you or motivate you to do something a little bit different, to change our thinking. Maybe you already changed, but if you haven't changed yet, I would like you to change. So only you know that how to change, right? So I hope that my presentation will tell you that you have some big points, including me. I also, after listen to this presentation at my workplace, I found a lot of weakness in myself. So I hope that you also found not a lot, but some weakness, and we change the way to teach our students, or we change the way to improve our students for a better things, a better students. Okay? Yeah. I'm not saying that you are poor, okay, but I hope we go together. We have known each other for many years, but we haven't shared the problem. So I hope that from tomorrow, maybe teacher will do the presentation and we share many things, techniques. Right? Okay, that's all for my presentation.